How's everyone? How's things? I'm here today with my new headphone, which is a Skullcandy in collab with the Ninja Turtles. So let's get it. As you can see, it's a very nice box. They have the big Skullcandy logo in here. They have these splashes, which are very cool. So let's open and let's see. I ordered this phone because the other one that I was using was a bit uncomfortable for me. I don't know if it's because of the size of my head or because of the phone itself, but anyway, I'm not using it anymore. And then I decided to buy this one. So there's a news here with a turtle thumbs up. There's a Turtles logo in here. So, oh, that's very cool. That's very cool. Look at this. Here's some instructions for you to how to use it. That's nice. They have the turtle hands in here, so they just have 3 fingers. You can connect your headphones to your app in your phone, and you can control everything in your app if you want, if you're a bit lazy to use your hands. And if you don't have like turtle hands, you can control your phone with your voice. Basically, you can skip music, so you can go back, you can turn your volume up, you can turn the volume down, and you'll see, we'll try it. That's a sticker here, which is very nice. I really like when they send stickers. Oh, that's nice. It's a Skullcandy sticker with a pizza, because they are fans of pizza, you know? If you know, you know. And here they have push active user guide, which is just basically how to use your phones and the buttons, what they are for. So let's save this for later. Here we have this very nice cool box, which is a box with some gels. You can change the colors if you want. I'll just read here the specs to be more precise. They basically call these as ear gels, and you can change the color, but the box is very nice. It's very cool. And here they have the phone itself. The box is a bit bigger than I thought. I thought the box would be a bit smaller, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's open and we'll see. Just more thing about the gels, I'll show you here. To be honest, I just opened the box and then I kind of know what's inside, which is very nice. You have like plenty options. You can change these gels. So you have all of these gels you can change, and then you have this thing here. I really believe that that's for charging, but we'll see. And yeah, that's it inside this box. So just as an overview, I'm not going to go too deep in the specs for this phone, but just reading basically what's in their website. They said that you have 44 hours total battery. They have IP55 sweat and water resistant, so that's a good thing. Hands-free voice control plus built-in Alexa. You have some advanced features in the SkullIQ app. I'll show you in a second. You have some personal sounds by Mimi. I don't know what it is. That's nice. You can find your earbuds with tile. I don't know. That's basically the main features in this phone. I'm going to download the app here just to see. So I downloaded the app. I'm going to open here and then we'll see. Connect your headphones to the SkullIQ app. I have those stickers here. I'm going to remove them. You need to just press the buttons and hold. They're connected now. Getting back to the app, you see the devices here, so you can select the push active. Okay, the update will take several minutes, so let's start. It's downloading the update. Actually, it's not taking several minutes, just a couple minutes. So it took several minutes. Now we have the updated version installed. So I don't know if you can see, but here we have voice control, button settings, equalizer, Spotify tab, find with tile, take a photo, personal sound, stay aware, and voice assistant. That's all you have. So I'm going to try them on and then we'll see. They feel very comfortable. So let's try this voice control. For example, let's try one here. Hey Skullcandy, Spotify. It's literally playing. I'm going to open Spotify here. Hey Skullcandy, next. Hey Skullcandy, next. Hey Skullcandy, volume up. Hey Skullcandy, volume up. Hey Skullcandy, pause. Hey Skullcandy, take photo. Hey Skullcandy, take photo. Hey Skullcandy, take photo. I think that's it. I said enough for today. That's my new headphone, which is a Skullcandy in collab with the Ninja Turtles. It's a very nice phone, it's a very nice thing. I hope you guys like this video. It's a bit longer than usual. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, comment, all of those things, and that's it.